Alright guys, time has come to do this ABS module. I've been putting it off for so long, and I've had it in the trunk, just haven't had a chance to do it, but I'm going to swap it out. So the best way to do this without undoing all the brake lines is to unbolt that nut down there. There's a nut right down there, kind of hard to see. That bolt that goes there, and there's a bolt that goes way down there. So I already took all those three out of the way. This whole thing moves to the side, so you're gonna move it to the side. You have 6 T20 Torx, one there, there's 2 in the middle, and then 2 at the very bottom. So you have to undo those, and then this module is gonna slide forward, put the new one on, and we'll be good to go. So the best thing to use is gonna be this setup here. So we're gonna use this T20 with a short stubby adapter, and we use a little tiny hand ratchet. And this guy goes down inside here like this, and you can undo it that way. So that's the best way to do it. So let's swap this module out. Alright, I got all the bolts loose, and it's loose right now. So we're gonna undo this connector down here, which is right there. That's for the pump. And you just slide it to the side, and you carefully lift it out of there so you don't bend any tabs. And there's our one of our solenoids. So we're going to take the new one, slide it down in there. Make sure we line all our solenoids up. And there we go. And I'll get the new bolts back in, clip it all together, and we'll do some coating. Everything's back together. Got all the 3 bolts in that hold the bracket in place. Modules bolted back up. So now we're going to hook this up, and we should hear some clicking noises. Hey, alright, that's good. The clicking means that the module activated, and we're good to go. So now we just got to program it. Turn the key on. ABS light went out, which is great. Come over here. ABS. Always happens when you go into ABS. And we have 0 faults. That is awesome. That means we don't have to program anything. So this was a used module, so it was already coded, and steering angle sensor is already adapted, so that's a good thing. Don't have to do any of that. And another great part is start it up, and there are 0 lights on the dash. This hasn't happened in, I don't know, over a year for sure. So I'm super stoked that the ABS module worked, and yeah, that's awesome. Alright, we're going to test out ABS. See how it does, shall we? Woo! Worked pretty good. Let's do it one more time. Oh yeah. That works awesome. It would have locked him up by then without ABS, so it's working. Woo! It's great. No lights in the dash. We got ABS. We got all-wheel drive back. This thing is good to go, and we're stuck at a yellow light. Should we do a quick 1-2 rip here? Oh yeah. This thing is fun. Well, thanks for watching this video on installing the ABS module. I didn't want to go too in-depth. I mean, there's a ton of tutorials out there, but I did want to kind of point out some quick flat rate ways to get that module out without taking off the brake lines and having to bleed the system. So it worked out great. It was awesome. We didn't have to code it, and ABS works as we just experimented with. So that's awesome. You know, a huge shout out to Shane, one of my customers from California. So shout out to you, buddy. He sent me out that ABS module, and it works phenomenal. So that is awesome. And thank you everybody for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Give the video a like, and we'll see you in the next one.